Unveiling the Joy, Understanding In Ecstasy. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving into a beautiful and expressive phrase in the English language, in ecstasy. This phrase can add a vibrant touch to our conversations and writings, but what does it truly mean? Join me as we explore the depths of this expression and learn how to use it to convey the height of happiness or overwhelming joy. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just looking to expand your vocabulary, this video will clarify how and when to use in ecstasy effectively. The phrase, in ecstasy, refers to a state of being where someone is overwhelmed by an intense feeling of joy or happiness. It's not just being happy, it's an extreme form of bliss that can almost feel transcendent or otherworldly. The word, ecstasy, comes from Greek origins, meaning, to stand outside oneself. It implies a feeling so strong that you're almost separated from your normal state of consciousness. Imagine the moment of hearing your favorite song live, the overwhelming joy of meeting a loved one after a long time, or the feeling of seeing a breathtaking view that leaves you speechless. These are all moments where one might be described as being in ecstasy. Now that we understand what in ecstasy means, let's learn how to weave it into our sentences. 1. Describing emotional states. Use in ecstasy when you want to describe someone's emotional state that is full of extreme happiness or joy. 2. When she found out she had won the lottery, she was in ecstasy. 3. Literary use. It's often used in literature to depict characters in a state of sublime joy. 4. The protagonist lay in the grass, staring at the stars, completely in ecstasy. 5. Metaphorical use. Sometimes, in ecstasy, can be used metaphorically to express a high degree of satisfaction or pleasure from an experience. 6. The audience was in ecstasy as the curtains fell and the performers took their final bow. Remember, it's a strong phrase, so it's best used in situations that truly call for such a powerful description. In ecstasy can also appear in cultural references, like music, poetry, and art. It's a term that's been used to describe the euphoria often sought in various forms of art and entertainment. It's worth noting, however, that the use of ecstasy in other contexts, such as in reference to the drug MDMA, is different and unrelated to our discussion. Additionally, this phrase can be seen in religious texts and experiences, where it's associated with a spiritual form of rapture and transcendence. We've now reached the end of our journey through the phrase, in ecstasy. I hope this exploration has been as joyful for you as the phrase itself suggests. Remember, English is a language rich with expressions that can capture the most profound human experiences, and in ecstasy is one of those gems. Use it to describe moments of sheer joy and profound bliss in your life and your stories. Thank you for watching, and may your language learning journey be filled with ecstatic moments of discovery.